What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to work with the PDFs. There are a few things that you might be thinking of, like how to ask questions about the PDF, how to extract the data from the PDF, and thirdly how to extract the tables, which is also a form of a data from the PDF. So it's very simple, easy and to the point. First thing first is that you just have to upload a PDF file which contains all your data and information. Hey, you guys can research about this and find the gaps and let me know like how to make it better. Then it will give you complete guide and summary of what's inside the documentation PDF. So there are two questions already answered, like how to extract the information from the PDF. So we already have that. So in order you have any sort of queries related to the PDF, you guys can simply ask it and it will give the answers right here. You don't have to worry about it. Just type in the questions and you will be able to ask it and it will give you the results like notebook LLMs do. It's pretty simple, pretty obvious. See you in the next one. Take care.